first full-scale commercial installation of OxyMem MABR technology in Canada, providing better management of organic and nutrient removal.
We're here at the Elmira wastewater treatment plant, which is a plant located in the region of Waterloo, and we're here to witness the first Canadian installation of OxyMem MABR technology. Aquify is the local representative for OxyMem, and OxyMem is a technology offered by DuPont Water Solutions. At the Elmira wastewater treatment plant, the design flow is 7,800 cubic meters per day. The MABR was chosen for this project in order to provide process intensification for nitrification. MABR was added for nitrification capacity enhancement to reactors 1 and 2 via an attached growth biofilm. This was necessary due to two factors that are specific to this plant. One is high industrial loads, and the second is high wet weather flows. Another reason for looking at MABR was the fact that there was no room for expansion in terms of additional tankage at this facility. With the MABR modules, they can be placed directly into existing tanks without draining the tanks and without stopping the plant flow. So we're able to do more within the same footprint of the existing tanks, which is important for this facility. Aquify is very excited to be a part of this highly innovative project, and we are confident this is going to be the first of many installations in Canada.
My responsibilities included the installation of the MABR system. This was a very easy system to install, straightforward, everything just bolts together, darn near plug and play. The shipment arrived on time, everything was as it said in the packaging, quality was excellent. The installation was very straightforward and simple, the drawings were very well laid out. There were no issues or concerns with the installation. It went smooth, and deploying the 8 modules today went extremely fast, much faster than we expected. Slightly under 2 hours to install 8 modules. The modules come prepped with a semi-automatic lifting rig, which makes it very easy to deploy the modules. So the rig gets lifted on top of the module, locks automatically into place all by the crane. The crane lifts it, locks it into position. Once you fly it over and set it into the tank, no one has to enter the water to unhook it. It automatically disconnects itself and then releases, and you can lift it out with a crane just by itself. The connections from the modules to the air piping system is all done by rubber hoses and cam locks. So it makes the installation very quick and easy, flexible, and takes any vibration concerns away from the system. OxyMem's project management team was very easy to deal with. They're very responsive to questions and concerns, and dealt with things in a prompt manner.
As a site inspector, I provide a set of eyes for the client and the consultant, and I work along the contractor to ensure that the construction goes as specified and as designed. Working with OxyMem has been an overall positive experience. They respond to all our questions in a very timely manner. Here at Elmira, we faced some unique challenges that they were able to help out with. One of the challenges that we had was working with existing aging infrastructure. Here the tanks were a little bit older, so OxyMem had to deviate from their typical installation procedure, and they provided a solution that met our needs. Also, we had some changes in the hydraulic profile, and OxyMem worked with us to ensure that the hydraulic profile was adequate for their system. The region actually conducted a study to address some of the challenges here at Elmira, and MABR was the chosen technology for that. One of the main reasons is because it allows for process intensification, and this means that the plant is able to process more without the need for added footprint. One of the awesome features about this technology is the ability for modular expansion. So here at Elmira, the system was installed with that in mind, and should the plant require additional treatment capacity, they would be able to address that by adding additional modules without the need of increasing or adding more tanks in the system.